Centro de Salud Familiar La Fe provides medical attention and education to El Pasoans. They offer free weekly diabetic classes to help people with this disease. Veronica Espinosa, along with her patient, both come to La Fe to gain information on how to live a better life with diabetes.
There's a lot of places that they can help us out, but like something we don't know. Like me, I knew I had the diabetes, but it was like kind of like a denial, and like not, since I didn't have like the insurance, I was like, how am I gonna pay for the doctor? And so I had to find out like this place, La Fe, was gonna be able to help me out.
Media Relations Administrator of La Fe, Estela Reyes, has had a first-hand experience with diabetes. After a bicycle accident 8 years ago, her diabetes affected the healing process of her injuries, leaving her scars as a constant reminder that diabetes can change your life in an instant. Espinosa explains how diabetes can lead to an extreme intake of medication.
She has like her renal condition. It is a lot of medications, like the daily, that she has to take medicines morning, midday, and evening at night. So that's a lot of medication.
There isn't a single person in our community who has not been touched by this horrible chronic disease. Even if you don't have it yourself, you have it in your life.
This is Itzel Giron reporting for Journalism in July.